34. Saturday, breezy. Mostly sunny. High 60. Chillo, wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. Tonight.
Old message from JDEDS on October 1, 2020. This is a required monthly test of the Jason Dutry priority warning system during potentially dangerous situations such as civil danger warning, tornado, child abduction emergency, nuclear power plant warning, and more. This warning system will be activated to warn of the impending hazard. This test will be conducted on the first day of each month. Warnings will be issued by Jason Dutry or anyone with the alert relay role. If there is an alert I haven't issued yet, tell me in pound Jason Dutry alert relay help. This concludes this test.
Desert locations are expected to reach the 80-degree mark on Tuesday. Cooler temperatures are expected the rest